If you're thinking about divorce, you wonder who gets what. That actually is a fairly complicated answer. So let's start with some basics. You can think of the marriage as a capsule and other things around it. So the date you get married, that's when the sharing begins. So if you accrued assets before then, as a general rule, they're excluded. Once a complaint for divorce is filed, as a general rule, anything accrued after that, whether it's a debt or an asset, is excluded. Inheritance is excluded if, and this is a very big if, you do not put it into joint names. So let's say, for example, you get $100,000 in inheritance and you pay off the mortgage on your joint home. Oh, wasn't that nice? You just gave a 50% of your inheritance gift to your spouse, and it is now in the pot. What else is in the pot? Well, some funny things. For example, your retirement that accrues during the marriage. If you get laid off and get severance, that's in the pot, because all income earned during the marriage is considered joint. Gifts to each other are in the pot, except for your engagement and wedding rings, because they were given for the promise to marry, and obviously you did that. What about your house? Well, again, assuming it's in joint names, then that gets shared, and you can either sell it and split the net proceeds, or one of you can buy the other out. But when you're doing that, if you're buying the other out, you do not include cost of sale. So there are many, many rules. And if you're looking for someone that is very knowledgeable, been doing this for a while, almost 40 years to be honest, then look for Stritch Law Firm. We're there to help you through these complex issues.